Hello and welcome to Moves Like Jaguar. Now it's been a while since I've done a detailing video, and today's not going to be an in-depth how-to guide, but I bought a few new products, so I thought I'd test them out and show you guys. Here's the car I'm going to be detailing today, this beautiful F Type Jaguar. As you can see, in much need of a really good detail. Those definitely need a clean. First product I'm going to try, Auto Finesse Avalanche Snow Foam in the Karcher Snow Foam Lance. For those of you unfamiliar with snow foam, it's to be used as a pre-wash. Actually spray it on and that'll just loosen up all the ingrained in dirt, make it easier for washing. So I've filled this up just about there with the snow foam solution, and the rest of it will be with fresh water. Then attach it to my jet wash and give it a spray. Next we're trying some of this Auto Finesse lather car shampoo. They're using the 2 bucket method. Suds in one, clear water in the other, and using a microfiber. I'll throw those sponges in the bin, people, they are terrible. So dip that into the lather, wash the car, rinse with the clear water. So and then you're not dragging all the dirt and putting it back into your suds. Now we're going to pat it dry with this new Auto Finesse towel. Lovely soft towel, perfect for patting the paintwork dry or lightly wiping it if you wish. Next I'm going to tackle the wheels, and for this I've got Auto Finesse's Iron Out, which removes all the contaminants and the iron from the wheels. We'll spray this on, you should see it turning red or purplish, and that'll just be fetching all the brake dust off the wheels.
A few moments later.
Already you can see it working there. Going to use some hot soapy water just to remove this, and then I'll probably give them a rinse off with the jet wash in a bit. Okay, so your car's washed and dried, ready to polish. You may think it's nice and clean. That's where you're wrong. Don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds really rough. It feels gritty as well in the hand. This is going to need a treatment with a clay bar. Now a clay bar is exactly what the name implies. It's just a lump of clay break off a piece and mould this into a nice little flat disc. Make it nice and malleable. And with the aid of some clay lubricant or detailing spray, this is my own one, this is nothing I've bought new today. Now currently when you run your hand over the paintwork, you can hear and you can feel all the dirt ingrained into the paintwork. We're simply going to take the detailing spray, spray the paintwork, apply the clay and just pull it back and forth. You'll feel it drag at first and then it will go easier. And this will pick up all the ingrained dirt that's in your paintwork and leave it feeling like glass, is what you want. So now we're going to do the whole car. These are really effective for getting tar spots and bug spots and anything off your paintwork. You just listen to the ingrained dirt in this and this clay bar will fetch it right off. Just listen to how rough that is. See for yourself the amount of dirt that's just come off that, and this has been washed. See, it's getting smoother up there now, you can hear the difference. If you were to polish this before the clay bar stage, you'd be polishing all those microscopic particles into your paintwork and doing even more damage. Like glass, just how you want it.
2 hours later.
Now that the paintwork's clean, I'm going to take some Jaguar's Ultimate Compound. It's a great all-round compound for getting most scratches and marks off the paintwork. We're going to use the Orbital DA or dual action polisher, put a compound on and just go over a whole car, getting rid of any minor scratches and swirls. The car's almost invisible. Not bad reflections. Got a bit too warm in the sunshine to do my polishing now, so I'm going to move on to all like the door shuts and the exterior trim using this Auto Finesse Revive trim dressing. Let's see how I get on with this. Next thing I want to tackle is all the crap on these exhaust tips. For the really stubborn deposits, I'd suggest using one of these aluminium scourers, which I conveniently pinched off my next door neighbour. Now they can't clean their oven, but I can clean my exhausts. but most of the time a tube of this Auto Sol and a rag will get this up and get this nice and polished. There you can see already these are starting to shine. Welcome to day 2 of the detailing. I've gone over all of the car with the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Now we're going over a second time with some Meguiar's Ultimate Polish, just to bring out the shine and get rid of any very, very fine swirls that there might be left on the car. Starting to look good now, guys. Nice depth of shine. Look at the reflections in that. We're ready for some wax. Right, now the car's all clayed, I'm going to apply some wax. Now I swear by this Harley Wax. Really good. Easy to use, so simple to put on. You can leave the whole car in the sun and it'll just wipe off no problem with no residue, and leaves great lasting results, and it beads really well when the water's on it. So it's good stuff. Get this on, I think, Amazon and eBay. The next job I'm going to tackle is dressing the tyres. I just use one of these kitchen sponges. Don't tell my wife I've pinched it. I'm using the Auto Finesse Satin Tyre Cream. So let's give this a try. Normally use Auto Glim. Smells really nice. Oh, and because it's a cream, it's not actually going to spill. It's the only trouble with the Auto Glim one I use, it gets everywhere. Leaves a nice finish. I'm impressed with this. It's looking really nice. I recommend this. And Meguiar's glass cleaner for the windows. And finally, you join me inside the F Type. Now, the last couple of products I've used is Auto Finesse's Total Interior Cleaner, which I found very good for doing the trim and the dash. Made a good job of it. And by far the best product I found was this Auto Finesse Hide leather conditioner. This actually smells exactly like proper leather. It's one of the nicest ones I've ever found actually, but did a good job, smells fantastic. So thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, see you again on the next one.